Let's take a look at the question on the board. Let's see how we can evaluate that and leave the answer in surd word form. So I'm given root 450 plus 3 root what 98. What we need to do to simplify this is to break this down bit by bit. 450, we can write 450 as 9 times what 50. Here we have 3. 98 is 2 times 49. 2 times 49. So 9. 9 is 3 times 3. 50, we can write as 5 times 10. Here we have 3. Here we have 2 times. 49 is 7 times what? 7. We can write this as 3 times 3 times 5. 10 is 5 times what? 2. So this one is 3 into 2 times 7 times what? 7. Now can I actually work with this one bit? Let's just write it as root 3, that's using the third law of surds. Not that this one is necessary though, because you can work without having to do this one. But just because of those that may not understand this type of simplification. So now we have root 3. Anytime you have root 3, you take 1 or 3. Root 5, take 1, 5. That is, once what you have in the root sign is the same, simply take one of the number. Then this one is what? Root 2. Then plus 3. This root 2 is left. Then times root 7, take 1, root 7. So at this point, we have 3 times 5, that gives us 15. Root 2 plus. Then we have 3 times 7, that's 21. Root 2. So now, since here is root 2 and here is root 2, we take 1 root 2. Then we have 15 plus what? 21. And that will give us what? 36. So the final answer becomes what? 36 what? Root 2. It's not a difficult question. Now that you've learned that, ensure you like, share, and follow us for more tips. And